है जो मिलकर के एक बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट हमारी धरती पे पड़ता है। आई एम सीइंग लॉट ऑफ आवर गेस्ट, जान खान हमारे बहुत ही हमारे छोटे भाई, एंड एक्चुअली हिज टीम बामला फाउंडेशन इज हियर विथ मी। आप देखोगे कि आज की तारीख में जब क्लाइमेट चेंज की जब हम बात करते हैं तो
Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you so much, my dimple guy, Raj bhai, for having me here. I want to thank Asif bhai for this initiative. You know, this is मतलब मैं जितना बोलूँ उतना कम है. आप environment को इतना safe रखते हैं, लोगों को आप बार बार बताते रहते हैं कि क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. It's all against the plastic and all. So guys, please, हम जितने अपनी धरती माँ को क्लीन रखेंगे उतने खुद को क्लीन रख पाएंगे. सो मैं यही आशा करता हूँ कि आप लोग ऐसी चीज़ें कंटिन्यू रखें और हमारे देश को स्वच्छ भारत बनाएं. ऑलरेडी है और अच्छा बनाएं और हम तरक्कियों की ऊंचाई ऑलरेडी छू रहे हैं. एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी कि नरेंद्र मोदी इज बैक विद अ बैंग. सो लेट्स जस्ट गिव इट अप फॉर अवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी, गाइस, प्लीज. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सर. मैं प्लीज यहाँ पर रुके. मैं चाहूंगा आरिफ भाई हमारे जो किंगडम ऑफ सऊदी अरेबिया से आए, स्पेशली यूएन के हमारे इस थीम के जो ग्लोबल होस्ट है, वो प्लीज मंच पर आए और एक छोटा सा सैपलिंग जान खान को अपने हाथों से दे. प्लीज आइए. और दानिश भाई आप भी प्लीज मंच पे ऊपर आए. From HMA Group, one of the directors of HMA Group, to please come on stage and present this small sapling to our dearest Zan Khan.
इधर का लाइट अलग, उधर का लाइट अलग, कंटाल आने लगा मेरे को.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a huge round of applause for all of our delegates and artists who are there on stage, जो हर बार हमारे साथ खड़े रहते हैं, हमारी मदद करते हैं in an initiative that is for you all and for us and for the environment.
इसमें ऑप्शन नहीं है ना वैसा.
Thank you, Arif bhai, and thank you, Zan bhai, for all the love, support, and keep supporting it.
थैंक यू सो मच आसिफ सर, मिराज भाई, फॉर ऑल द लव. आप लोग बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और अल्लाह पाक आपको ऐसी खूब तरक्की दे, ऊपर वाला आप लोगों को और हम सबको ऐसे अच्छा रखे.
आपने बहुत सारी बातें बताई, लेकिन आपने ये नहीं बताई कि आपकी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी की ऐसी कौन सी हैबिट है जो एनवायरनमेंट के लिए भी अच्छी है.
मैं आई डोंट यूज प्लास्टिक. सो बेसिकली द बेस्ट पार्ट, आई डोंट यूज प्लास्टिक. एंड लेट्स जस्ट गिव इट अप फॉर आवर रॉक स्टार शहर.
क्या बात है, जोरदार तालियां for शहर.
So yeah, please, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Single-use plastic, actually. So yes, Madhya, we have spoken about environment. We've spoken about single-use plastic. Now let's talk about Bhumi Namaskar. So जैसे आप जानते हैं कि बामला फाउंडेशन हर साल came up with the theme भूमि नमस्कार. जब हम कहते हैं कि भूमि नमस्कार, हम सूर्य नमस्कार करते हैं, हम भगवान को प्रार्थना करते हैं, हम अल्लाह की प्रार्थना करते हैं, बट जिसकी हमें असल में प्रार्थना करना चाहिए, दुआ करना चाहिए, जिसकी हमें इबादत करना चाहिए, वो हमारी भूमि है, वो हमारी ज़मीन है. और इस कैंपेन को क्रिएट करने में जब हमारी थॉट्स हमारे ग्रेट आर बाल्की सर के साथ हमने शेयर किया, तो हमने इस वर्ड को जनरेट किया, भूमि नमस्कार, जो आने वाले दिनों में मौजूद चुके. जोरदार तालियां
आशीष शेलार जी के लिए. We also have director R Balki in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to both of them.
Malaika Arora and Ashish Shelar ji greeting each other. Mr. R Balki, the man behind Bhumi Namaskar. And absolutely, this was completely impossible without Godrej, the team of Godrej Property, Godrej Industries and Godrej Lafair, who's been contributing to this great campaign of Bhumi Namaskar. Michelle, if I could just see you around. Hi, Michelle. Yeah. So we have the big round of applause for entire Godrej team for supporting this cause and putting all their efforts to create this environment initiative of Bhumi Namaskar and also going into sustainable way. आशीष शेलार जी हमारे पास मौजूद हैं, साथ ही साथ में आर बाल्की जी हैं, आसिफ बामला जी इनको रिसीव करते हुए, नेहा जगत्यानी मैम इज ऑल्सो हियर, गौर गोपाल जी. हम कैंपेन को आगे बढ़ाएंगे और इस कैंपेन को आगे ले जाने के लिए हम कुछ एक्ट्स आपके बीच में लाएंगे. चाहेंगे कि अब हमारे यहाँ के आमदार आशीष शेलार जी प्लीज मंच पर आए अलॉन्ग विद मलाइका अरोरा जी, तो प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज. जोरदार तालियां एंड प्लीज वेलकम एडवोकेट आशीष शेलार स्टेज. जोरदार तालियां फॉर.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, एक बार फिर जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. We've got Malaika Arora, a woman जिनका नाम ही उनके काम के लिए काफी है, Malaika Arora. And of course, we have Mr. Ashish Shelar, who does not know him. Both of them are here with us today for this campaign. Firstly, thank you so much for joining us.
दानिश भाई से भी रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज वो मंच पर आए एंड आसिफ बामला जी अलॉन्ग विद सहर. आशीष शेलार जी, योर थॉट्स. द गवर्नमेंट हैज बीन रियली वर्किंग.
No, but we really want to know things from your end. So, ladies, first से start करते हैं. We'll start
Dr.
with
Jayashri Sharad and Elnaz Nausir, please requested to come on stage. Elnaz ma'am, please. Ashish ji, your thoughts on this World Environment Day.
Let me congratulate Asif Bhai and Bhamla Foundation for organizing such a wonderful event. Of course, you do that every year. And World Environment Day, many times you have seen the events and the discussions which only lie between the boardrooms. Actually, what needs to be done? What are the impacts of our act? How it is causing a danger to the society, to the marine life, to the common man, that needs to be presented innovatively. And what Bamla Foundation is doing exactly the same thing. That the percolation, the communication, the dialogue with the society with a very correct way and correct participation, as we have seen today, Malaika ji is here. And therefore I think this kind of bond for the betterment of the society on the World Environment Day itself, I think, which is a very great thing to do. I congratulate Bhamla Foundation. I request all the citizens also to participate by their own way to achieve the sustainability, to see that the no negative impact can come on the environmental issues as such concern, and let's work together for the same. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू आशीष शेलार जी, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. हमारा हर एक वो योगदान हमारी धरती के लिए बहुत इम्पैक्टफुल रहेगा. जैसे मलाइका जी ने इस भूमि नमस्कार ने अपना योगदान दिया है. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट मलाइका जी टू प्लीज शेयर अ थॉट ऑन भूमि नमस्कार ऑन वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे.
Thank you very much. Namaskar, everybody. Firstly, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the Bamla Foundation, Asif and his wonderful daughter Seher, for making us part of this beautiful campaign, Bhumi Namaskar. I feel truly proud and privileged to be part of it. I'm not here to give you any unnecessary, unsolicited advice, but as a citizen, as a responsible citizen, all I would say is do your bit for your environment, do your bit for whatever is close to you. I think we always say ki a little bit of help starts at home. बाहर जाने से पहले घर पे start कीजिए. I think that is the most important. And small efforts eventually become big and eventually make a lot of difference in life. So yes, once again, I feel humbled to be standing on the stage with such amazing people. So thank you so much. Sheilaji, it is wonderful to be here for all that you do for our community and everybody sitting here tonight. Thank you all for being present over here. And once again, I'd like to congratulate the Bamla Foundation. Keep doing the wonderful work that you do. We are just happy to be part of it. And we will extend our support year after year after year. So thank you so much.
Thank you, and you did actually, Malaika, you know, with all your contribution for the Bhumi Namaskar, which is the campaign which is launching on the 11th, which you're going to see.
Let me give a little heads up on the Bhumi Namaskar campaign, since our Ashish Shelarji is also here, that this is a campaign that's curated by R. Balki ji. I'm perpetually not calling R. Balki ji earlier because I know if he comes earlier, he might leave earlier. So that's why I want him to stay back for some time to unveil the poster. But it was an idea of Sir's, and we suddenly developed that, and fortunately we had great people, great minds. Of course, Shan is there, who's curated the campaign. We have Aman, who has done fabulous, who's done the music of Bhumi Namaskar. He has done a fabulous job. Thank you so much, Aman. And of course, the stars who made it big, right from Abhishek Bachchan to Varun Dhawan to Malaika ji to the great man Jackie Shroff. A very big hand to him. He has done it so fabulously that Balki ji, when he saw the clips, he got more motivated towards getting more better work done, if you remember Balki ji. Because he really did it with the zeal, the heart in which he does it. Thank you so much, Jackie Dada. And there were all many. We have Shreya Ghoshal ji who sang it, and number of actors. And Ashish ji, I will request you to also share that campaign once it's out in the public domain. So that also will send a good message across to all of them. Of course, the stars are going to share it on their platforms, but it's going to be by far the biggest campaign with the United Nations Environment Program. And of course the Mahanagar Palika also. Let me tell you, they've also supported this campaign in all ways. We've had Bisleri who has supported this campaign in a very big way. I have my dearest friend from Bisleri also who's here. And so Mr. Angelo is supposed to come here, but he's not here. We have the Honorable Commissioner here also. So I'll just make the Honorable Commissioner sit there for a minute because we need to... Okay. We will call him to unveil that with Balki sir. Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji, a very, very big round of applause. I can't hear you guys. Come on, जोरदार तालियों से महानगर पालिका के महाआयुक्त हमारे भूषण गगरानी जी यहाँ हैं और बाल्की साहब के बाजू में बैठे हुए हैं. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर. Balki sir, that is Mr. Bhushan Gagrani ji, our commissioner. And Balki sir is the man who curated this beautiful campaign for us. So everyone, once again, thank you. And I think Ashish ji should be... Baki, can you
Absolutely. Absolutely, Asif bhai, you said it right. And I request Asif Bamla ji and Malaika ji to present a sapling to Ashish Shelar ji. Do we have a representative from Mufti? Please come on stage. Disha. And all like-minded people are here. Enlaz Naraoji, the beautiful actress, Enlaz, will receive a sapling from Malaika. Please. Anasia, your thoughts on the environment?
Hi everyone, I'm not going to take much of your time. Thank you for having me. Thank you. Special thanks to Bamla Foundation. I think these kind of events, these kind of initiatives are so important. We can see every day how our world is literally going down in front of us. I'm not going to give too much of gyan because we get too much of that all the time. But what we can do is, we are in the land of Mahatma Gandhi. All of us have heard, be the change that you want to see in the world. So I start with myself. I try to save water. I try to recycle. Today I'm wearing a dress I've worn before. I know many times we hear actors don't repeat their outfits. But here I am saying we should save energy. We should do, as Malaika very beautifully said, whatever is in front of you, that is what you can do. If you say, one person se to kuch nahi hota hai actually. If 1 million people say, mujhse kuch nahi hoga, then we have 1 million, yes, then we have a problem. So please start with yourself. And thank you so much again for having me. This is something I really love to support. Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much.
You need to present one award. I request Rich Boys, Gaurav Rich Boys, and Niti Goyal to please come on stage. Can I have a trophy for Niti Goyal ji, Nari Niti? She's been supporting this cycle. Nari Niti, jo khana chahiye, jo Sonu Sweet ji ne kaha, is actually a very hard work of Niti Goyal ji. I would request Malaika and Ashish Shelar ji to present this beautiful trophy to Mrs. Niti Goyal ji. So this wonderful trophy award, the Green Crusader Award, goes to Niti. Please join. And another Green Crusader Award to Rich Boy teams. Ashish Shelarji, a small. Alana, you.
We welcome
absolutely-
Mr. Nadir Godrej. A very, very big round of applause for Nadir Godrej, sir. Michelle, thank you for escorting with sir. A very, very big round of applause for our very, very, very dearest and very nearest patron of the foundation, Nadir Godrej, sir. Thank you so much. I'm so honored that you have been such an inspiration on sustainability, and we learned so much from you, and you've always religiously come here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. और आप देख रहे हैं we have the Honorable Municipal Commissioner of MCGM and Administrator Mr. Bhushan Gagrani is here. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shelar Saab.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, please give all of them a huge round of applause. Thank you so much for taking out time and being over here for us, for the environment. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Malaika Arora, Ashish Shelar, and for all of our delegates who are here on stage with us.
Thank you. तो जैसे कि आपने देखा मधिया की people from all walks of life. If I say I'm talking about an environment, it's just not that I'm an activist or I run a foundation. Like-minded people coming under one roof and discussing a very important one issue, that is environment.
रहे हैं वो है यहाँ पर, तो आप थोड़ा सा डेकोरम मेंटेन करें. स्पेशली ये जो फ्रंट साइड है यहाँ पर अगर आपका कोई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम नहीं है तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट होगी कि आप बैठ जाएं आराम से. ऑल ऑफ आर लवली स्टार्स आर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, पीपल जिन्हें हम यूजुअली स्क्रीन्स पर देखते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर्स में देखते हैं, अपनी मोबाइल की छोटी सी स्क्रीन पर देखते हैं, वो आज यहाँ पर हमारे बीच आए हैं. दे ऑल कम फॉर यू, आपसे मिलने के लिए, आपसे बातें करने के लिए ही यहाँ पर आए हैं. अब हम बांद्रा में जहाँ खड़े हैं यहाँ पे रोजाना आप लोग वॉक करते हैं, समथिंग दैट्स वेरी गुड फॉर यू एंड फॉर द एनवायरनमेंट ऑल्सो. आज उसी जगह पर हम यहाँ पर ये इवेंट हो. वंस अगेन वेरी हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू एनीबडी हु इज देयर इन द फ्रंट, इफ यू डोंट हैव अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क, please take a seat, be seated and enjoy the entire event as it flows. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि कोई बहुत ज़्यादा सुनने वाला है मेरी बात.
नहीं मधिया सुन रहे हैं लोग. पर्यावरण में बदलाव आ रहा है. पीपल आर टेकिंग रियली गुड इनिशिएटिव फॉर एनवायरनमेंट. जैसे कि बीच क्लीन अप ड्राइव जो हमने की बिस्लरी के साथ हमने मिल करके
Huge round of applause to Jackie Shroff.
जगू दादा, भूमि नमस्कार. Bhavin, we're going to unveil the poster of Bhumi Namaskar. And the founder of Hangama Music, the partner of the Bamla Foundation, Bhumi Namaskar campaign, Mr. Neeraj Roy, also to please come on stage. Mr. R. Balki, zordar taaliya for all these wonderful people. And Mr. Gaur Gopal Das also to please come on stage. You can see these wonderful people coming on stage and talking about one single agenda, which is environment. And Jackie Dada, please. आप आगे आए, जगू दादा.
जगू दादा इस वक्त का पूर्ण प्रयोग करें, हर एक इंसान से मिले. He is right now meeting a lot of people on backstage side. लेकिन जगू जी, we request you to please join us on stage.
Siddesh Sharma ji from Baidyanath to please come on stage. Siddesh. Bhavin, we are going to unveil the poster of Bhumi Namaskar. Are we ready? So, Asif, I want all the eyes on the screen as we're going to launch Mr. Nadir Godrej ji, the campaign of Bhumi Namaskar. So I request everybody in the audience and on stage to please turn around and have a look at the launch of Bhumi Namaskar. Bhavin?